This demo shows how to place a single leg options trade on thinkorswim. To begin, go to the Trade tab and enter a ticker symbol. The option chain displays all available expirations. Select an expiration. The strike prices available for the selected expiration appear. Use the Strikes field to adjust the number displayed. You can adjust the columns in the option chain to sort by additional criteria other than strike. For example, to select a strike based on delta, change either one of the first two columns under calls or the last two columns under puts to delta. Select a strike price to initiate an order. There are two ways to do this. Right-click anywhere in the row to bring up a list of menu items, including Buy, Single. Another way to buy or sell the option is to simply select the ask or bid price. From here, adjust the quantity and ensure that the symbol, expiration, and strike are correct. Next, select the order type. Adjust the price using the slide bar or enter a new price. Then select Time in Force. Finally, select Confirm and Send. Review the order information again, then select Send. After placing an order, you can check its status on the Monitor tab, under Filled Orders if it's been filled, or under Working Orders if it hasn't. To close an order, right-click the ticker symbol and select Create Closing Order.